mag-wish ka. Sige nga, Kuya JM, stand up tayo. Okay, tayo. And, would you tell us, ano yung wish mo? Sige nga, tell your daddy and everybody, ano wish mo?
I wish Mommy was here.
Okay, did you hear that, everybody? I think Kuya JM really misses his mommy. Si mommy ba nasa abroad? Australia. You say hi to mommy there. Hi, mommy. Okay, sign share lang. Okay. I'm sure mag-grant yan yung wish ni Kuya JM. Sige, para mag-grant yan, lahat tayo magbibilang tayo from 1 to 3 bago niya i-blow yung candle. JM, tulungan mo siya, Kuya Casey. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Ate, tang masanay tayo. 1 real, blow yung candle. Yay! Malapakan naman natin si JM. Naka-magic candle yan. Hindi kasi nakamatay yung candle na yung magic candle yan. O, diba? Okay, so magandang kulang lang na yun. Okay, one more. Yay! Meron pa. Okay, malapakan naman natin si JM. Happy birthday, JM! Ay, ano pa? Okay, maraming salamat na. Okay, let's take picture na po. Okay, mag-picture tayo kasama si Birdie and si Macdo. Yung mga may gusto magpakuha ng picture kasama si Macdo.